Building your own home is a dream for many. It's a complex process that requires careful planning and execution. Let's break down the essential steps involved in building a house. The first step is to envision your dream home. Consult with an architect or designer to create blueprints. Consider factors like lot size, local zoning laws, budget, and desired style. Research building codes and permits required in your area. Once you have your plans, prepare the building site. Clear the land, remove trees and rocks. Conduct soil testing to determine the foundation type. Mark the property lines and excavation area. A strong foundation is crucial. The type of foundation depends on soil conditions and building design. Common types include slab, crawl space, and basement. Ensure proper reinforcement and waterproofing. Chapter 4. Framing. The framing is the skeleton of your house. It involves constructing walls, floors, and roof trusses. Use quality materials and follow building codes. Ensure proper insulation and ventilation. Chapter 5. Roofing. Protect your home from the elements with a durable roof. Choose roofing materials based on your climate and budget. Proper ventilation is essential to prevent moisture buildup. Chapter 6. Plumbing and electrical. Install plumbing and electrical systems. This includes pipes for water supply and drainage, as well as wiring for electricity and outlets. Ensure proper code compliance and safety measures. Insulate your home to maintain comfortable temperatures and reduce energy costs. Install drywall to create interior walls and ceilings. Prepare for painting or wallpapering. Chapter 8. HVAC and appliances. Install heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems to regulate indoor climate. Choose energy-efficient appliances for your kitchen, laundry, and other rooms. Chapter 9. Exterior finishes. Enhance your home's curb appeal with exterior finishes. Choose siding materials, windows, and doors that complement your home's style and provide insulation. Chapter 10. Interior finishes. Transform your house into a home with interior finishes. Choose paint colors, flooring materials, and cabinetry that reflect your style. Add personal touches to create a welcoming atmosphere. Building a house is a rewarding experience. While this video provides a general overview, it's essential to consult with professionals and obtain necessary permits. Enjoy the process of creating your dream home.